Hey guys, Jess here. So I am doing a quick follow-up video on my new storage system for stickers, the 1-inch binder system that I've done. I did a video recently on sticker organization, and this was the method I chose. And so I was doing a test run during that video, and then I decided that I actually really liked it, and so I went and invested in more binders, and it's been a few weeks, so I figured I would follow up and let you all know how I feel about this system, pros and cons, and my overall thoughts, just so in case you're thinking about moving towards this system, you have a better idea before you invest. So as you can see, these are all my binders that I have. So I have puffy stickers, tiny alphas, tiny words, designer dimensional, enamel dots, rub-ons and flats, paper house dimensional, Dollar Tree dimensional, and Hobby Lobby dimensional. As you can see, I have a lot of dimensional binders. So that to me is the one kind of iffy point about this system, and I'll share that with you in a moment. But first I just want to show you this is how it sits on my shelf, and I love that. I love that the spines are all labeled and I can just grab and flip through with what I'm looking for. I'm really enjoying that component of this system. It's so easy to find what I need, and it takes up less space for me. I fit a lot more stickers than how I did previously, and it's easier to look through. Well, I say a lot more stickers. I fit all my stickers in this system, I should say. And I feel like it takes up less space. It freed up bins, which I need for other items. So so I wanted to show you what I had done. And I just want to go through these binders with you. I just want to share with you a few of them. I'm going to start with, let's see here. Oops, sorry guys. Let's move some of these off to the side here. So let's start with the puffy stickers. So I love puffy stickers, so I went through and picked out all my puffies and I put them in the binders. Look at how easy it is to just flip through and see what I have. I love it so very much. And obviously I can fit multiple, there's 2 of each of these in here, and it didn't take up much space. I know where they all are, and they're easy to see, so I love that. And I filled this up pretty good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 double-sided sheets, so 24 stickers plus some doubles. So not too bad for a tiny, this is an A5 binder, not bad for a small binder. That's quite a few stickers, and a nice compact, organized, easy to use method. So there are my puffies, and then I have my tiny alphas. Again, same thing. Just look how easy it is to flip through and find what you're looking for. I just love this so much. And I have about the same amount of pages in this one. Okay, so the next thing I want to cover is dimensional stickers. So this is the one, I struggled with a little bit because I'm using so many binders for the dimensional stickers. So I don't buy a lot, but I have enough where I needed to use multiple binders. So this is the designer dimensional. So I didn't have many of those, so I was able to fit them all in a binder. As you can see here, it works really well. The problem is that they're so bulky that they take up a lot of space, so you can't fit as many pages in here. This one's not too bad because I don't have that many. But this is my Hobby Lobby dimensionals. As you can see, this one's overflowing. So it's a little wider, which is okay, but obviously it takes up more room on the shelf the wider you get. And then when you undo the D-rings, it gets harder to close them up. So because I had so many dimensional stickers, I had to use multiple binders. So I think that's the one thing I'm not so thrilled about, just because I like the sleek, uniform thickness of these flatter and tiny alphas. Flatter stickers and the tiny alphas, this is a little more bulky, but it still works well because I can still just go through and see what I have for stickers. So if you don't mind having multiple binders with, you know, dimensional stickers, you can categorize them however you want. This still works really well. I just wanted to show at how much, I mean, there's quite a bit in here, but how much bulkier these dimensional stickers get and how much room they're going to take up on your shelf. So you can kind of see the difference. For me, that really is the only negative thing. I don't even want to call it negative, like con. Like, I guess it's my least favorite aspect of the binder system, because I had to have, you know, a bunch of, let's see, 1, 2, oops, 3, I had to have 5 binders just for dimensional stickers. Now, some of these don't have as many as others, but it's because I broke them up by categories that made sense to me. But as you can see, that's a lot of binders for one type of sticker. But again, they're easy to find, easy to look through. They go on my shelf. It's just, I really, really love the system. So that basically is it in a nutshell. I think overall this system works well, and I hope you found this little follow-up video helpful. I'm really pleased with that this is what I chose. I definitely like it better than my bin system for these type of stickers, which is what I was doing recently. So I hope you like this video. Give it a like and subscribe if you're new. I'd greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next organization video. Take care. Bye.